Xin chào, my name is Thu,
and my name is Chap.
and today we will talk about telecommunication, the internet, and the wireless technology. Imagine for a moment, you're chatting with a friend across the globe, watching a live concert thousands of miles away, or even ordering your favorite dish online without stepping out of your house. How do all of these things happen? Telecommunication, the internet, and wireless technology are the unsung heroes making it all possible. These technologies connect billions of people, companies, and devices, creating a web of global communication that shrink the world in ways that people never thought possible. But what exactly is telecommunication? How does the internet work? And how has wireless technology changed the way we live and do business? Let's begin by understanding why modern communication technologies, telecommunication, the internet, and wireless technologies are so crucial in today's world. These technologies are the backbone of the global communication and business operation. Global connectivity is the first key benefit. With these technologies, businesses can reach the international markets and collaborate with remote teams across different time zones. Secondly, the increased efficiency. Telecommunication and the internet enable e-commerce, cloud computing, and real-time decision-making. This means that businesses can operate faster, smarter, and more effectively. Finally, mobility is the game changer. Wireless technology allows us to stay connected without being tethered to a physical location, whether we're at home, at work, or on the go. This is essential for the mobile workforce and for the industry's reliance on constant connectivity. Now, let's dive into the telecommunication. Simply put, telecommunication is the transmission of data and information over the distances using the electronic means. This can include everything from voice calls and text messages to video conference and the data transfer. Telecommunication are essential for business communication, remote work, and data transfer. Imagine your office phone calls, Zoom meetings, and the data that flows between the company servers all rely on the telecommunication systems. This system uses a variety of methods to transmit data, such as the landline connection, satellites, and wireless signals, enabling the global network for the interconnected system that modern business rely on. To understand how telecommunication works, we need to look at the components that make up this system. Transmission media. There are two main types, wired and wireless. Wired transmission use the fiber optics, coaxial cables, and the twisted pair wires. Fiber optics, for example, are used for high-speed, long-distance connection, while wireless transmission, on the other hand, uses the radio waves, microwaves, and the infrared technology to transmit the data without physical cables. Second one is the telecommunication networks. These include the public switch telephone network, also known as the PSTN, which has evolved to support the digital communications. Then there are private networks that businesses use for secure communication, and of course, the internet itself, which is the global network connecting millions of devices. The last one is protocols. Protocols are the rules that govern how the data is transmitted. For example, the TCP and IP ensures that the reliable data transmission across the internet, or the HTTP, HTTPS govern how the web pages are served and accessed, and the SMTP handles the transmission of the email. Let's take a closer look at the internet, the global network that connects billions of devices, enabling us to access the services and exchange information. The internet backbone consists of high-capacity, high-speed data routes that carry the majority of the internet traffic across the globe. This backbone is managed by the internet service providers, also known as the ISPs, like Comcast and Verizon. Every device connected to the internet has a unique identifier known as an IP address. Initially, devices used the IPv4 32-bit addresses, but as the number of devices increased, we're transitioning to the IPv6 128-bit addresses to accommodate this growth. Now, let's look at some key internet technologies that make it all work. First one is cloud computing. Has revolutionized how we store and process data. Rather than relying on the local servers, Cloud computing allows businesses and individuals to access the software, storage, and computing power over the internet. Big names in this space include the Amazon Web Services, also known as the AWS, and the Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud. Second one is web technologies like HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript is the building blocks of web. HTML structures web pages, while the CSS defines their appearance and JavaScript make them attractive. The last one is e-commerce. Has transformed how we shop, enabling the business to sell goods and services online, reaching a global audience and creating the new opportunities for growth. Wireless technology are the key to mobility and real-time communication in our connected world. These technologies make it possible for us to stay in touch, work remotely, and access information without being tied to a physical location. Examples include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the cellular network like 3G, 4G, and even 5G.
There are several types of wireless technologies that play a significant role in modern communication. Wi-Fi allows devices to connect to the internet wirelessly within a local area, such as at home or in offices. Bluetooth is used for short-range communication between devices like headphones, speakers, and smartwatches. Secure networks 3G, 4G, 5G provide mobile communication and data services, allowing people to stay connected while on the move. Satellite communication brings connectivity to remote and rural areas, enabling internet access in places where traditional networks can reach. In the business world, telecommunications play a pivotal role in global collaboration. With the ability to communicate across regions and time zones, companies can operate seamlessly no matter where their teams are located. Voice over IP technologies like Skype and Zoom have revolutionized business communication, making it more cost-effective and efficient. Private networks and virtual private networks ensure that internal communications and data transfers within organizations remain secure, especially as remote work becomes more common. The internet has become indispensable for business operations. E-commerce allows companies to sell products and services to a global audience. Online services such as cloud-based tools enable businesses to store data, collaborate, and manage operations remotely. Digital marketing allows businesses to reach targeted audiences with precision using ads and social media. Data analytics enables businesses to understand consumer behavior, optimize operations. The landscape of telecommunications is constantly evolving. 5G technology is set to transform mobile networks with speeds up to 100 times faster than 4G, enabling new applications like augmented reality and connected vehicles. Internet of Things is expanding, with billions of devices now connected, collecting and sharing data to improve everything from smart homes to industrial systems. Edge computing is reducing latency by processing data closer to where it is generated, making systems faster and more efficient. AI is already being integrated into telecommunications, optimizing networks, predicting issues, and automating customer service. As we look to the future, advancements in 5G, Internet of Things, and AI will reshape entire industries. However, there will be an increased focus on security, privacy, and data regulation as these technologies expand. So, we have understood that telecommunications, the internet, and wireless technologies are the foundation of our digital age. As we move forward, embracing these advancements while prioritizing security and inclusivity will be key to shaping a more connected, efficient, and accessible future for everyone. The digital age is here. Let's make it most of it. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.